Very. Yeah.
Well, what's that?
Hello everyone, how you going? Well, the boat's finally done. Finally done. Why? Because of this man here. We're finally Lee from Evolution Marine. Lee from Evolution Marine. If you need anything, 2 weeks you had this boat running. We got the new motors on, now ready to operate. So we'll be taking bookings anytime right now. So get us on 0456 410 156 or Facebook Mad Cat Charters, right? But let me say something. If it wasn't of this man, we wouldn't be on the water today. Lee, tell them what you do and who you are.
Yeah, Lee from Evolution Marines. Do all boat servicing, maintenance, repairs, fit outs, custom work. Specialise in Simrad gear. You can see we've fitted this boat out with some basic Simrad gear. Getting ready for a bigger install later on. Just keeping a little bit under control at the moment. Yeah, we're just out here doing a bit of a test run on the boat, making sure everything's happening before we put it to work. So yeah, enjoy it, man. Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
If you need something, you give them the number. They're not psychics, mate.
Yeah. Number 0434 524 422, or just look us up on Google
or Facebook. I'll put a link to on the Mad Cat Fishing Charters for Lee, and he's only in Williamstown. So anyone around there needs something, he's around the corner from the boat ramp, and he's a gentleman. He really looks after you on price, on everything, right? But also, I'll just get this phone on. We've got fly-by-wire. We've got the new engines. They're purring, a couple of 300s. So at the moment, we're taking bookings. So give us a call, and we're up and back running. So all the boats ready. That's Mace here. He's looking for a girlfriend, aren't you, Mace? Looking for a girlfriend or what? Yeah, tell him.
No girlfriend.
So we're all here, and yeah, everything's ready to go, guys.
Give us a couple of minutes and we'll give you a bit of a live demo of it up and cruising.
That's it. All right, go for it, Lee. Yeah, we're just going to turn the lights off and we're going to go running. Yep, she's purring. Look at that. And we're in 2 meter swells. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at her brow. That's a cat. Woo! 2 meter swell on the car. Oh yeah, that motor. The waves are coming over the top. Motors are purring. So guys, we're ready to go now. Ready to go. Get your bookings in. Even we're taking bookings. We've got a few charters for Easter as well. Get your bookings in. I'll keep everyone updated. So there's the boat. The boat's ready to go. Our mate here, Lee's helped us out. We can't see him. It's pretty dark. You know, everyone's on board.
2
yeah,
2 meter swells and
2 meter swells and
quick clip up to 75 clicks.
75 clicks in 2 meter chop in the bay. All right, guys. Thanks. Keep you updated on everything else, and yeah, give us a call. Thank you. Bye.